Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. Today's video we are doing Class B's CB TAC 5037. This is an 18-shot color to Brocade Howling Tail to Crackle with Brocade to Crackle finale. You know I love Crackle. I say that all the time. This has the Howling Tail as well, which I really wanted to see and hear in person. I haven't done any of those Howling cakes before, and I was on Fireworks Plus with a good coupon code. I wanted to see their other house brand Shockwave as well, and I wanted to pick up some Class B to check out too. The nice thing about Fireworks Plus is a $500 order gets you free shipping, which really can save you money shopping online, because between shipping and liftgate fees, that adds a lot to an online order, and you don't have to worry about that with these guys. So, the Class B ones all come in a plain brown paper wrap with a foil top, and if we cut off this foil and the little plastic liner over on top of it, let's see what this looks like underneath. So we have 4 tubes on the front, middle, and the back, and then it looks like we have 3 angled tubes on the second and the third stage. So let's take this cake out back, fire it off, and see how this looks, how it sounds with those howling tails, and if we want to get some Class B again. Thanks everyone.
Thing.